Pinanghawakan ko yung salitang babalik ka sa loob ng ilang taon. Madaming ang nagtangka. Madaming lumapit pero ni isa sa kanila di ko binigyan ng pagkakataon. Pero sa loob ng matagal na panahon, ni ha ni ho, wala akong narinig sa'yo. Iniwan mo lang sa akin ay mga katagang para to sa kinabukasan. Babalik ako. Alam mo, gusto na kitang hanapin, pero hindi para pabalikin. Gusto ko lang malaman mo, malaya ka na sa akin. Ako si July at tapos na akong maghintay. I give up. Alam niyo naman yung sinasabi nila, my love, na sometimes holding on is even more painful than letting go. So for some people na feeling nila, wala na talaga silang hinihintay. And the person that they are waiting for is not giving them value as much as binibigyan nila sila ng value. This is when they can find a silver lining, a glimpse of hope, a ray of light sa giving up. Because they know na by letting go, they are also setting themselves free. Free from the agony of waiting. Yun kasi yung pinakamasakit na klase ng pain that a person can feel. Yung pain and yung agony of waiting for a day that may never come. Some people do wait a lifetime para makatagpo ng isang tao magmamahal sa kanila. At kapag nakita nila yun, they believe in that. So they invest their time, their attention, everything they've got dun sa relationship na yun. Kaya kapag tinanong sila, will you hold on to me? May gagawin lang ako. Can you wait for me? May hahanapin lang ako. They wait. They hold on. They may be in love. They may have fallen deeply in love with a person. Pero they are not stupid. At some point, mararamdaman nila na there's no point in waiting. Na wala ng sense na naghihintay pa sila. Kasi kung nagagawa ng taong yun tikisin yung hindi magparamdam, hindi mag-update, hindi sila makausap, then there's the answer to the question kung okay pa ba sila. Then that's the answer to the question kung may pag-asa pa bang magkabalikan sila, magkita sila ulit, magpaparamdam ba siya muli, or mahal pa ba siya. Kasi if you love someone, you would do everything to make it work. When the other side stops exerting effort sa isang relationship, then you know there's something wrong. Pero what I like about this story mula kay July is yung silver lining na yun ay hindi nanggaling sa confirmation that this person is no longer in love with her, this person is happy with someone else, but it's because of her decision to let go. Kasi minsan, my love, you don't have to wait for confirmation or validation from the other person. When you are hurting, when it's too much pain for you, when you've waited for too long, pwede ka na mag-decide on your own. You can take the matters into your own hands and just let go. You just have to be brave enough, not for anybody else, but for yourself. That this time around, I won't wait any longer for a person na kayang magtiis na malayo ako sa kanya at hindi ko siya nakakausap. If I can find a way para makausap yung taong mahal ko para iparamdam sa kanya kung gaano ko siya kamahal. Hindi kalabisang i-expect ko yung same thing sa isang tao kung mahal talaga ako. Kaya good for you, July. And good for the people na natututong mag-let go. Sa isang sitwasyon na parang dead end na. Wala lang gustong umamin na dead end na siya. Kudos para sa lahat ng mga tao na tinutuldukan yung isang relasyon na kahit masaktan na sila in the process, at least alam nila sa mga sarili nilang sinarado nila yung libro. Tinapos nila hanggang dulo. Tsinaga nila hanggang sa kakayanin nila before they finally give up. And this kind of giving up, this example of giving up, this is not bad. Kasi this is the kind of giving up that paves way to a new beginning. Klaro? Klaro.